The TBZ-23 Plus is a drilling machine of our medium format and can be mounted on workbenches or on our optional machine cabinet. The design enables a compact construction and combines the features of a bench drilling machine with those of a seam drilling machine. It is driven by a maintenance-free, smooth-running three-phase motor. The machine's functions and settings, such as the speed, can be easily adjusted to a wide range of applications via the control panel. The integrated OLED display clearly shows you the current parameters, such as the current speed and drilling depth. You can select between drilling and tapping mode at the touch of a button and then program it intuitively. The standard LED lighting and the optional coolant supply can be switched on and off, and the optional coolant unit can be controlled. Using the drilling depth stop, we can easily and ergonomically set the planned drilling depth and thus precisely limit the stroke to the desired drilling depth. With this design, the height of the drill head can be adjusted easily and precisely using a rack and pinion drive. To ensure optimum work safety, we install a drill guard with electrical protection and an emergency stop button as standard. To safely complete the drilling process, you can also activate a spindle stop function. If you opt for the TBZ-23 Plus, we will give you a full 3-year guarantee. Additional information and technical data on the machine can be found on our website. If you have any further questions or suggestions, please do not hesitate to contact us.